So in this Visme tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add 3D animations to a design here on Visme. So once Visme's opened up, go to the left-hand side of your screen here, go to this option that says graphics and simply just go ahead and press it. Then once you're on the graphics screen, I want you to scroll down until you come across 3D and virtual assets. And if you want to do 3D animation, simply just press on the 3D animations tab. Now once you're here, you can go ahead and search through. So there's action arrows, there's hands, there's icons, elements, machines, etc. So if you wanted to go to see all, for example, for machines, and you like this machine right here, you can go ahead and add this to your design. As you can tell, it's a graphic, so it's moving. You can go ahead and maybe view the hands right here. And if you like this paper airplane being thrown, you could go ahead and do that one. If you want, you can play around with it, add whatever you want to your design, but it's a pretty straightforward process. That's how you guys can add 3D animations to a design here on Visme. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.